Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti from OnlinePhotographyTraining.com. In this video, I just wanted to give you a quick update concerning my websites. Specifically, my original website, AnthonyMorganti.com, will, after this video, no longer be updated. So I encourage you to visit the new website, OnlinePhotographyTraining.com. As far as this original website, AnthonyMorganti.com, it will always exist. So you could always come here and visit it and search for any older videos and or articles that I may have on here that I did not transfer yet over to the new website. And I encourage you to use this great search tool that Noni Levinson wrote for me, where you could search for videos very easily. But with that said, please visit the new website. It's much more dynamic. It works much better, particularly on mobile devices, and it's a lot faster. So it's laid out a lot better in my opinion. It's much easier for you to find what you're looking for. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour of what it is and how you could use it. Now you're looking at the desktop version. In a second we'll look at a mobile version. But along the top, if you're on the desktop version, you'll see a menu up here. You won't see this on the mobile version. It will be at the bottom on the mobile version. But you could see, you could read about me. You could read about my code of ethics, what I try to live up to as I teach you photography, my privacy policy for myself and the website, how you could help me. All my videos are free, so I ask for donations and other things, and you could check on that. Click on that to check that out. You could visit my marketplace by clicking right here. On this website, I took all the stuff I sell off it, and I have that on a separate website, OnlinePhotographyTraining.shop. So if you click there, you'll be taken to that website, and it's very easy to find what you want. If you want to go back to the original website, right here at the top is Online Photography Training main website. Just click on that. You'll be brought back to the main website. You also could visit the marketplace by clicking on this little banner down here where it says PDFs, videos, ebooks. Click here, all this. Just click there. You'll also be taken to the marketplace. Now, below that menu, we have another menu, and this is really how you could find what you're looking for. Right now, I have two different Lightroom training video categories here. I have my latest one, Mastering Lightroom Classic CC, and an older one where I taught how to print in Lightroom. I did not transfer the Lightroom 5 training and the Lightroom 6 training. Those are going to stay on the old website. As I come out with new Lightroom training, they'll be under this header. I have two Photoshop training categories, getting started in Photoshop and intermediate Photoshop, so you could quickly find those videos by drilling down on this menu. I have the On1 software, Mastering On1 Photo Raw 2018 on this website. I have 4 different video series of Skylum software. I have Mastering Luminar 2018, Luminar 2018 Tips and Tricks, Mastering Aurora HDR 2018, and the filters of Aurora HDR 2018. And then over here where it says more, I have everything else that isn't in any of those categories. So from infrared photography, macro photography, street photography, and everything could be found there. And I will be adding to this category. Also, I plan on doing other video tutorials on other types of software. I don't want to give away the farm yet what I'm doing, but when that happens, you'll see it integrated within these, meaning it'll be either after Lightroom, before Photoshop up in here. So up in here, you'll see new categories added as needed. Now below that, I have the last 5 videos I did right here. And then below that, over here on the left-hand side, you'll see those categories again, Mastering Lightroom Classic CC, and you'll see the last 3 videos I did for that series. And you could use this little arrow to get 3 different ones and just page through them like that. And similarly, you could see the other series. There's the On1 series, the Luminar series are next. And then I have the Photoshop series. Then I have Photography for Beginners category. So if you're a beginner, you could look at the videos and articles here. You also could find that over here in the More drop down, Photography for Beginners. So you could click on that. As you look at the right panel, I have how you could connect with me through Facebook, and it shows 0 fans. I'm not sure why it does that. I forgot. I think there's like 20,000 fans or just under. So you could follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Below that, again, you could get to the marketplace by clicking here. I encourage you to subscribe to the newsletter. The old website, every time I did a post update, it would send out an email to everyone saying that a new post happened at anthonymorganti.com. This website is not going to do that. It's only going to bother you once a week if you sign up for the newsletter. And every Monday I send out a newsletter, and in that newsletter will be all the posts I made for the previous week, links to them, and also what I have planned for the coming week. And also I will have one special that is just for newsletter subscribers for the marketplace. For example, $10 off all my Lightroom presets or something like that. And that will only be available to newsletter subscribers. So please subscribe. All I ask is for your email address, and you could read my privacy policy up here at the top and understand that I don't use your email address for anything. If you're looking for a discount on Luminar, Aurora HDR, Photo Lemur, On1 Photo Raw, or any Topaz product, you could click here and you'll get links and discount codes that you could use to purchase that product. If you're asking if I like a certain type of camera or anything, you could click here and go to my recommendations on Amazon. I will be adding to this week, so it will be expanded greatly, hopefully by the weekend. Then as we go down further and we get past these categories, I have the latest articles in reverse chronological order. So the last thing I posted was last night, Get Art Texted to You, through the San Francisco Museum of Modern Art, and so on. So those are in reverse order. This is a link so you could help me by making a donation or using one of my affiliate links and things like that. So you could click on that. The most popular videos over the last week are right here. There's just a link to Amazon. That is, I am an Amazon affiliate, and that is covered in my code of ethics at the top. So you could check that out. And you could then page through all those videos. Right now I have 17 different articles, 17 pages of articles and videos on this website. Then along the very bottom, I have that top menu again. So About Me, Code of Ethics, Privacy Policy, how you could help me, and the marketplace. And then if you're ever on anything, so let's say we're looking at this video, Mastering Lightroom Classic CC, there are breadcrumbs up here. You could go back to the Lightroom videos or back to home right here. So I could click here and go back to all my Lightroom videos. Or if I want to get back home, I could just click on this banner where it says Online Photography Training, and I'm back to the home page. Now, as far as a mobile device is concerned, we'll go over to the mobile device, and I'll just show you very quickly how that works. Okay, we're on a mobile device. I happen to be on an iPhone 7 Plus, and you can see that top menu is not here on the mobile device, but we do have the other categories menu. You would click on this little bricks over here in the top left-hand corner, and you can see there's Lightroom, Photoshop, On1 software, Skylum software, and more. And then you could click on those, and you could see there's all the more categories. There's all the Skylum categories, and so on. So you could go quickly through that, or you could just scroll down and you could see the last 5 videos posted. Then you could see the categories again. Mastering Lightroom Classic CC. It'll show the last 3 videos. And then you could use these little arrows to see more. So if you want to see the 3 previous videos, then the 3 previous videos, you could just keep clicking on those arrows. Then there's the Mastering On1 Photo Raw, 3 of those, 3 of the Luminar videos, 3 more of the Luminar Tips and Tricks videos, Aurora HDR videos, filters of Aurora. As I said, you just go through. Then there's 3 getting started in Photoshop videos, and I accidentally clicked on one. So you could go, and if you do click on one, you could watch the video right here. Those of you know on the old website, the videos didn't play at all really on mobile devices, and that was really one of the main reasons why I created the new website. So you could come through here on any article or video, and you could share it on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit, stuff like that. If you want to go back to the homepage, just click on the banner where it says Online Photography Training, and it will bring you back to the homepage. And as you continue to scroll down, and hopefully I won't accidentally click on anything, after you're done with the last category, which happens to be photography for beginners, then you have how you could connect with me on Facebook again, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. You also could jump to the marketplace by clicking on that banner. You could subscribe to the newsletter there. You could get your discount codes for Luminar, Aurora HDR, Photo Lemur, On1 Photo Raw, and any Topaz product by clicking there. My Amazon recommendations there. Then you have the latest articles in reverse chronological order. And then the most popular videos over the last week. Then contact me through that email address. Now, I must warn you, I get a lot of email. As a matter of fact, lately I've been getting more email than I've ever received in my life, probably about 120 emails a day. It's almost impossible to answer them. It is impossible to answer them in a timely fashion. Also, you have to understand that I have like well over, I think, 700 videos on YouTube. So people post comments and ask me questions on YouTube videos. People contact me through Instagram, Facebook, all those other places. And I'm really bombarded, so it's very difficult to answer everything in a timely fashion. So please understand that I'm doing the best I can. So if you do email me, it may take me a long time to get back to you. You also then could still connect to me through Facebook, Google+, and so on. And then at the bottom of the mobile device, you'll see that top menu that is available on the desktop software where you could read about me, my code of ethics, privacy policy, how you could help me, and my marketplace down there at the bottom. So then you could click like on About Me, and then you could read all about me. Very self-indulgent. And that is the new website. I'm very excited about it. I've received a lot of great feedback about the website, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it helps you learn photography. And I'd like to thank everyone that watches my videos. It's because of you that I do this. Thank you very much. I'll talk to you guys soon.